Hello everyone. In last audio clip, I have explained you three functions of management. In this video clip, I will going to explain you a fourth function of management, that is directing. The notes about the particular function, directing function, I have already sent you. Maybe you are ready with that. In that notes, I have explained you about the first point, that is meaning. In that meaning, first square is given by me, that is directing is the soul of management. Function means without directing any function cannot carried out successfully. So directing function shows the correct path to every functions of management. So that's why directing function called as a soul of management. Second dash I have given that it is a process of instructing, guiding, communicating, inspiring, motivating the subordinates and supervising their work for achievement of the organizational goal. So for achieving the organizational goal, inspiration is also necessary, guidance is also necessary, motivation is also necessary, as well as supervision of their work is also necessary. So we can get the work done by people in a correct manner. So for that, directing function plays an important role. Third dash, that is directing function initiated with top level management and it flows up to the lower level management. Means top level people giving the guidance to the middle level management and middle level management people are giving the guidance or instruction to the lower level management, and whatever instructions are received by the lower level management, so that instructions are provided by the top level as well as middle level. According to that instructions, the lower level managements are working in the organization. Next dash, that is directing function goes throughout the tenure of the organization or the institution. Now what is mean by tenure? The time period till time the organization exists, up to that time the directing function is also continuing by the management people or in the organization. Last dash that is given by me, director is the person who shows the correct path or way to the subordinates for achievement of organizational goals or for solving the problems of the subordinate. So director plays an important role for directing the subordinates. So director is the person, maybe it may be manager also, it may be executives also, it may be top level people sir also. So director plays an important role for showing the correct path to their subordinates for solving their problems also and for the organizational goals also. Next important sentence I have given in bracket, that is a few philosophers. For that philosophers we can say like the thinkers also. A few philosophers says or called directing function is the life spark of an organization or enterprise. Life spark means, for that we are using the another word, that is turning point also. So whenever the proper direction is shown by the director in the organization for their subordinate, it can change into the success of the organization. So directing function is the life spark of an enterprises. After that I have given that the three definitions of directing function, which is already explained in your textbook. First definition is given by the Theo Hyman. The definition given on page number 23. After that definition given by the Ernest Dull. That definition is also explained on page number 23. And third definition related with the directing function, which is explained by Urvik and Brech, that definition is explained on a page number 24. After this definition, three definitions author's name, I have given you the one more heading, that is importance of directing. Below that heading I have explained you or given a notes about the one important sentence. Directing function is the process of guiding, instructing, counseling, motivating, communicating to the subordinates for achievement of organizational goal. So both meaning is same. So we are turning towards the importance of directing. In that 10 points are there. The diagram of that importance of directing I have already sent you.